I'm walking now. I've been walking in the past again. Haven't done it in a while. This walk is about an hour and 10 minutes of brisk walk. I can do about, three and a half miles. And the other day I was thinking that there's two things to getting fit. You have to like two things. And I don't know if it's a good thought or a bad thought, but you have to like two things. One thing is you have to like pain. That's the workout thing. You cannot be opposed to sort of discomfort. That's the first thought I had. Working out is not ease or happiness. It's pain in some sort of sense, not a horrible sense. But you have to be all right with it. You can't be against discomfort. And the second thing is you have to be okay with starvation. You have to be okay with this sort of discomfort as well. That doesn't mean you have to really starve yourself thin, but a bit of morning emptiness in your stomach or growling or that sort of thing, you have to be totally okay with that. You have to expect that. Because when you lose weight, you basically deprive your body of nutrients in a small amount so that it has to take up your fat storage. And that will cause discomfort. So you have to be okay with it. Not only okay, you have to expect those two things. Expect to be a bit in pain from working out, and expect to be a little bit starved. And then you'll see results. That's your pre-result, that expectation and that feeling, those feelings. Now I don't know if that's 100% correct, but it's sort of my feeling right now. Now I realize that saying that it's discomfort is probably a better word instead of saying starvation or whatever. So let me explain it a little bit better, my thoughts. If you go into the kitchen and you see a piece of cheesecake or I don't know, whatever there would be that you like to eat, some chocolate or some extra food, and you get the cravings and you go, oh wow, that'd be nice to have right now. You get the cravings, that discomfort, that longing for something, and you go, okay, and I will not satisfy that craving. That is kind of what I'm talking about. Alright, discomfort now. You go away and you're feeling not comfortable, not satisfied at that moment. You're not giving your body the satisfaction of being completely full, completely not starving. And that's on the part of eating food. The same goes for exercising. A lot of times I find myself going, I don't want to exercise today because I might be sore the next day. Or I'm not going to exercise because huffing and puffing and sweating and it's hard and it might hurt to hold a certain position or to repeat an exercise. And that's that I don't want to be uncomfortable either right now in the moment, or sweaty, or the next day sore. And that's what we're doing when we don't exercise. We just want to be comfortable at the moment. We want to be satisfied. And you don't give your body that satisfaction at the moment. And that's where the gains are. And you repeat every day. You come back. You are continuing to hold back on extra eating, and you continue exercising the next day or 2 days from now. So I just found out, just laying in bed, sitting up, something called diastasis recti. It's basically something on your stomach. Usually pregnant women have it, or after their pregnancy, where the abs don't, they're separated, and it bulges in the middle, so they're right in the middle of the stomach. And so, not a big deal, no surgery needed, but I guess that's what us unathletic people have as well, can get from just being large around the middle. So I am working on this now. There's exercises to do to basically get rid of that. They do say not to do strenuous ab workouts, and just kind of, because it can make it worse, and then just work on that first. So that's what I am doing here in this exercise. And now I'm walking as well. And I really am trying to cut back on extra snacking after dinner. So let's see how this all works. This was this week. See you next time.